Hey guys, welcome to Planet Roller Skate. In this episode, the production team travels to Dallas, where we meet the Texas legend herself, Abbey Roadkill. I first met Abbey back when we played Big Track Roller Derby for TXRD in Austin, Texas. Now we're both on the Moxie skate team and we have tons of fun adventuring around the world together. Abby's skate history, though, goes way further than this. Her family's owned a rink since 1961, and it's full of amazing stories and secrets. So we're gonna go with Abby to visit her rink, and we're also going to learn about her business, Rollerstuff. That's where these guys came from. Not only is Abby an awesome roller skater, but she's the creator of Skate Monsters. We're gonna go see where they were born.
5, 4, 3, 2, let's roll. Roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Let's roll.
Yes!
Okay, you ready guys? About to ring the doorbell. Hi! Hi Abby, how are you? Bailey too! Yay! You've probably seen her in Abby's Skate Your Dog series. Bailey, you're famous on Instagram. I don't know if you know it or not. Insta fame.
If it's a nice day, I'll come and sit out here and crochet because the yarn sticks to the shingles real well, so they don't roll away.
Can you tell us the story of how your family started the rink?
For my dad and my aunt were really little, they were on the way to the doctor, and my aunt was like laying in the lap of her mom and my dad, like laying across the front. Somebody ran a red light and T-boned them, and so it like T-boned the end of her feet and just crushed her legs. The doctors pretty much said you'll never be able to walk again like normally at all, and so she had like huge casts. Eventually she started doing well in rehab, and so they said, well, you may be able to stand. So anyway, she gets to the point where she can stand up. The best rehab is roller skating because it builds muscle, but it's easy in your joints and your bones. So every weekend for like years, my family would just go to roller rinks to try to get to where she could walk normally again. My grandpa was a contractor. He built houses. So he bought a plot of land and he built her a skating rink so she could walk in, and she ended up becoming a national champion figure skater. And that's why the rink exists.
What year was it built?
1961.
Okay.
So like my grandpa and grandma ran it, and then in 1975 my dad bought it from his dad and ran it. I started out when I was like 3, hashtag all the skating. Inline speed skating, and I went to nationals when I was 5. I did art skating and figure skating. I did jam skating when I was like 8 until like the end of high school. This thing called gliding. It's like a modernized couple skate and partner lifts that we get from ice skating. I went to college, and then after college I joined roller derby. After that I started doing ramps and working on flips.
Cool. Awesome.
This is Broadway Skateland. This is where I grew up. Bricks on the building.
Yeah.
So that was like original. My grandpa did that. If you look down like to human level, they're cut off. Kids kept climbing the building, like falling off and getting hurt. And so my dad came out and like sawed off all the bricks.
Because I would totally climb that.
So no one would sue us. Yeah. It's a skate thing. Where is it? Oh, right here. Zoom in on that. It's like this coin.
Wait, so what is this?
It's just you see the skate? Yeah. Just my dad put in there for fun. He likes to put things in concrete. He made me like put my feet in the ones at my house.
Broadway Skateland. Let's do it.
Secret entrance.
Oh!
Just in time for the limbo.
Better hurry.
My grandpa was over 6 feet tall, and so he built the place. So if you look at all the doors, there's a nail in the door, so it's the trick entrance, and then all the light switches are like super up high, like up here.
This is behind the scenes.
It's limbo time. I gotta go cut in line.
yourself on there. Awesome. So do you like seeing your grandkids skating?
Yes.
Why do you like it?
It's an exercise.
It's exercise, yeah.
Yes. It's like a family thing. It keeps the family unity together.
Absolutely.
Yes, family unity. Never too young and you're never too old.
But all the signs over the doors that say like gentlemen over the men's bathrooms and like skate rental, they're all original from 1961. These cracks on the edge of the floor are not normal.
Yeah, that's a big crack.
Pretty big crack. I was like 4, and we're having an all-night skate. So it was pouring down rain at this all-night skate, and it started flooding. And when a wood floor gets wet, wood expands, so it buckles in the middle. Like the pieces do this, and your floor is ruined. And it's like $10,000 for a new skate floor. Huh? 100,000. I'm
Okay.
sorry. I'm old school. My mom and my dad both got box cutters, and one started at the back right here, and one started at the front. They cut a maple wood floor with box cutters around and around until it stopped raining. And in the middle of this, it was expanding too fast. Like they cut it and it expanded. Like it was about to buckle. My dad was the DJ, and he got on the mic and he said, "If you'd like to save Broadway Skateland, just bring your blankets and pillows to the front and stack them up next to those blue
So it was
doors."
like
They all came and made like a dam. My parents went around cutting the floor, and it saved it. It didn't buckle. And so the next day, when the wood shrank back down, there's this huge crack.
I know that there's history behind the crack at Broadway Skateland. Da-da-da-da! That was so good!
This was the original design. It's missing some wheels, but I originally didn't put arms on them because I was playing roller derby, and I was like, roller derby is, focus on the legs. You can't hit with your arms. You gotta. So like it was like artistic, deep thought. Like they shouldn't have arms, but then it looked ridiculous. They had arms, but they were still ugly. And then
That one's so cute!
And then eventually I made them smaller and like refined the design, so it didn't take 7 hours to make one. And then I started doing fabric because it was a little more flair and you could be
Customized?
a little more customized.
So Abby, how long does it take you to make one monster?
One normal monster probably takes like 3.5 hours. Every single skate monster is made by hand, by me, not by a granny that I'm hiring. It's me with this little crochet needle.
Aww.
And love, made with lots of love too.
Yes, you can tell. They're very happy skate monsters. Abby's probably a little too modest to promote here, so I'm going to put the links in the bottom to Rollerstuff, her Etsy, where you can get skate monsters, you can get skate bows, you can get toe guards, and they're also cute skate leashes. She has lots of adorable roller stuff, so we'll link that in the bottom.
I?
You're on Planet Rollerskate. Do you want to go on an adventure?
Yeah!
Thank you guys for hanging out with us on Planet Rollerskate. Until next time, later skaters! Ah, but wait, don't think we forgot to announce who won the Rollerstuff giveaway. We took anybody that commented on the Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube post, put all your names in a hat, shuffled it up. The winner is Zoshi Snow. You guys have also been tagging us in some awesome clips online, showing us your progress as you learn how to roller skate with all of us other Planet Roller Skaters. So we wanted to feature you. This week's clips are Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check the caption down below for all of the info about Abby's roller rink and how to get your own skate monster or roller stuff. Later, skaters.